Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes the instruction referenced memory. The memory could not be written. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, click Disable All, click Apply, click OK, click Exit without restart. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.